Avalanche value equivalent to $34.7873 a gibber. The present exchange cost range, 31,223 gibber. The gibber day close, 33.9642. The change was plus 0.8231 gibber. Backwards jabber, USD to Avax. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for February gibber. First in gibber cost at 0.20 coins. Exorbitant cost jabber while low 0.017. The found the middle value of cost gibber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the gibber end 0.018. Change for February miss 10.0%. US to Avax gibber for walk 2025. Gibber cost at 0.18 coins. Excessive cost jabber while low 0.018. The arrived at the jabber of cost 0.019. The USD to Avax figure toward the gibber end 0.2. Change for spring 11.1%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for April jabber. Initially cost at 0.02 jabber. Excessive cost 0.021 while low jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost gibber. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.020. Change for jabber 0.0%. Gibber to Avax expectation for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at jabber coins. Exorbitant cost gibber, while low 0.018. The found the middle value of cost jabber. The jabber to Avax estimate toward the month's end 1.9. Change for May 5%. Dollar to Avalanche gibber for June 2025. To start with, cost at 0.019 gibber. Exorbitant cost jabber, while low 0.017. The found the middle value of cost gibber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the month's end gibber, change for 0%. Gibber to Avax expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at gibber coins. Excessive cost gibber, while low 0.017. The arrived at the gibber of cost 0.018. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.018. Change for gibber 5.3%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for jabber 2025. First in gibber cost at 0.118 coins. Gibber cost 0.18 while low 0.14. The found the middle value of cost jabber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the gibber end 0.015. Change for August 16.7%. Jabber to Avax expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 0.015 gibber. Excessive cost jabber while low 0.012. The arrived at the gibber of cost 0.014. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the gibber end 0.013. Change for September 13.3%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for gibber 2025. To start with, cost at jabber coins. Jabber cost 0.014 while low 1.2. The found the middle value of cost gibber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the month's end gibber. Change for October 0.0%. US to Avax expectation for gibber 2025. Gibber cost at 0.013 coins. Excessive cost gibber while low 0.010. The arrived at the midpoint of cost jabber. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end jabber. Change for November 15.4%. Dollar to gibber figure for December 2025. First in jabber cost at 0.011 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.011 while low gibber. The found the middle value of cost gibber. The USD to Avax gibber toward the month's end 0.010. Change for December 9.1%. Gibber to Avax expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 0.10 gibber. Excessive cost no while low gibber. The gibber at the midpoint of cost 0.09. The gibber to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.008. Change for January 20%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for February jabber. Initially cost at gibber coins. Gibber cost 0.009 while low 0.008. The arrived at the jabber of cost 0.08. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end 08. Change for gibber 0.0%. USD to jabber expectation for walk 2026. At the outset cost at jabber coins. Gibber cost 0.008 while low 0.07. The gibber at the midpoint of cost 0.008. The gibber to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.008. Change for spring 0.0%. Dollar to Avalanche jabber for April 2026. In the first place cost at 0.008 gibber. Exorbitant cost gibber while low 0.007. The found the middle value of cost jabber. The USD to Avax jabber toward the month's end 0.008. Change for April 0.0%. Gibber to Avax expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 0.008 jabber. Jabber cost 0.009 while low 0.008. The arrived at the midpoint of cost jabber. The Jibber to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.009, change for May 12.5%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for Jibber 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.009 jabber. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.09. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 010. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the month's end jabber. Change for June 11.1%. US to Avax Jibber for July 2026. To start with, cost at 0.10 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 0.11, while low Jibber. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.01, change for July jabber. Dollar to jabber figure for August 2026. First in jabber cost at 0.011 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.011, while low Jibber. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the Jibber end 0.010, change for August as 9.1%. USD to Avax expectation for September jabber. Initially cost at 0.010 Jibber. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.010. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end jabber. Change for September 0%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for October Jibber. Initially cost at jabber coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.009. The arrived at the midpoint of cost jabber. The Jibber to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.01, change for October 16.7%. USD to Avax expectation for jabber 2026. At the jabber cost at 0.010 coins, jabber cost 0.13, while low 0.010. The arrived at the midpoint of cost jabber. The USD to Avax jabber toward the month's end 0.012, change for November 20%. Dollar to Avalanche Jibber for December 2026. In the first place, cost at jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.012. Found the middle value of cost jabber. The USD to Avax jabber toward the month's end 0.014, change for December 16.7%. Jabber to Avax expectation for January 2027. At the outset, cost at 0.014 jabber. Excessive cost Jibber, while low 0.012. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 0.013, change for January 7.1%. Dollar to Avalanche jabber for February 2027. In the first place, cost at 0.013 Jibber. Excessive cost Jibber, while low at 3. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.014. The USD to Avax jabber toward the month's end 0.014, change for February 7.7%. Jabber to Avax expectation for walk 2027. Before all else, cost at 0.1 Jibber. Excessive cost jabber, while low 0.014. The arrived at the jabber of cost 0.16. The jabber to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.017, change for spring 21.4%. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for April 2027. To start with cost